Hello. We're the Ferguson family. A few years ago, we had a dream of being able to travel with Dad since he travels for work. And now we are making that dream a reality. With 4 kids, 2 dogs, a lizard, and 2 adults, and an abundance of help from Grandma, a lot of trials and trepidation, some blood, some sweat, a lot of sweat, and maybe a few tears, we are finally in motion. We are now inviting you to be a part of our family with KNS Unchained and come with us on our journey with Cutter. Thanks for joining us.
All right, everybody. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a good update. Last night we got a little bit busy. Didn't do any recording. GoPro was dead. So I'll just get you caught up and kind of show you what we did. So basically what we got going on here is we've insulated the ceiling. Now we used the 1-inch foam. And I'll show you kind of what it looks like outside. But what we found out is this foam actually takes the arch real well. Now you got to be careful. You got to cut it exactly the size of this hole, and it's really tight, squeezing it in there, and it can break if you're not careful. As you'll notice, I've got one that already broke. But basically, if you kind of finesse it in there, it can go in. It holds real tight. I believe this is going to work the best for what we're doing, and I'll show you guys a cool trick on how we actually cut this foam. You notice there's a few pieces missing. It's because we bought out Home Depot. They only had so many sheets left. So with this foam, if you did your layout, draw your lines, make your shapes, however, this particular style of razor blade, it cuts amazing. You just laid the handle on the line that you're cutting, lay it on the line, and then simply draw back. Makes for a very nice cut. Real easy to cut this foam up and get the shape made that you want to have.
So take that blade off of there, because it fits most of these.
They're Cobalt blades. You can find them at Lowe's.
But it fits most of your retractable knives also.
Alright, so what we'll do is let's get with Grandma. So, Grandma, do you want to help explain what it is you're doing here and why we're doing it?
Alright. The type of ceiling y'all picked out, instead of cutting this metal out up here, these pieces, it's going to make your roof do this. So, decided to shim this out with 1/4 inch instead of going back and cutting this out, so the whole roof will be,
level.
It won't have little whoop-de-doos in it. Yeah.
And all this is taking a rip saw.
That good right now because there's no screws up here. There's one, but once you screw your other wood to it, it'll be flush. No point wasting too many screws right here.
So, as you can tell, she's been working on it. All this down here is ready to go.
Alright, you ready to hold that one? Oh.
So, Kyle got called back to work, so me and Kyla, his mother, are going to take advantage of him not being here and being argumentative. We're gonna get some stuff done.
Okay, so here's where we're at today. We're going to attempt to outrun the weather. As you can tell right now, it's kind of cloudy. There's a possibility of a major storm, but we're trying to get this roof hatch because I know that if I get this hatch in, it will help getting this roof hatch done with air ventilation inside, because it is like working in an oven inside this thing. No. But this old roof hatch is all cracking, dry rotted, busted up. Climbed up here, first got the bus, me and the kids, they wanted to check it out. Opened up the hatch, as soon as we did, it crumbled. So, I mean, it's junk. Yes, but smaller. So as you can tell, it's very dry rotted, it's very old, wore out. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have to chisel this off. The plan is I'm gonna hit it with the chicken plugger, clean it up real good, get all the sealing off, and then we have some new hatches, which we ordered from a yacht website that should be able to get us what we're wanting. And I believe she's going to add a link to where we found those to the channel so you guys can look at them later. But they fit the hole perfectly with just very mild modification. And I'm going to try and get all that on here today to show you guys, and we'll get back with you with some more later.
So it's raining again, but we managed to get the roof hatch in before it decided to start doing that, so yay! So now we get to verify that it's not leaking anywhere. And with the combination of foam that we used and Flex-Seal tape on there, even the hole where the little flashy light harness thing was, we're not leaking. Always remember to live your life unchained. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We hope to have you with us next week. Thank you for joining our KNS Unchained family. See you on the next leg of our journey. Bye!